How to activate Citizens Bank of Edmond debit card. So to activate a Citizens Bank of Edmond debit card, you can typically call the activation provided on the sticker of your new card or access your bank's website or mobile app to activate it online. You likely need your 16-digit card number or other personal information to complete the activation process. So if you are using the online website such as me, to activate it, you can just go to the website address, that is mycitizens.bank/online, and you will be redirected to the home screen of this Citizens Bank of Edmond. And once you're inside here, just look for the debit card section or online banking section and simply follow the on-screen instructions to activate your card. Just make sure you have already logged into your account before doing that, and once you successfully follow the on-screen instructions, you should be successfully activating your card. But if you are using your mobile app, in that case also make sure you have successfully logged into your account, and you can typically find the debit card activation option within the app's card management or account settings section, and you can just activate your Citizens Bank of Edmond debit card by providing the on-screen instructions such as your personal details information over there as well. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.